Hey, it's Aussie Steve here from Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're purchasing sort of in the Uptown, probably West Carrollton, Leonidas area really. Look, the seller had it as a rental for a while and he lost the tenant and was fixing it up, and look, it's in not too bad a condition, but you know, he has a little bit more work to do and he really doesn't want to be a landlord anymore, so he's decided to sell it. Want to sell it for cash in as is condition, which that's how we buy properties. So, you know, look, cosmetically it's pretty good, it's been painted, and so, you know, definitely looks better than some houses we buy, but there is a few issues. I don't know if this shows up, but this floor is really soft here, and that's really the seal underneath the foundation. And I don't know if it's shown up in the video, but it's like, look, you can see there's a few bumps and lumps, and that's, yeah, just really the whole seal on that side of the foundation needs to be replaced. So, you know, that's a pretty decent job. It had taken some water in here, but it had been patched. Kitchen's not too bad. Yeah, I mean, this room's pretty good. It's just a 2-bedroom. Bathroom is actually in good condition. But here we have a problem. You can see some water been coming in just through the back actually, and it's all moldy, and it's, you know, the water's obviously come in, and water's an enemy of houses, so it's like ruined the floor here. So look, just, you know, just needs a little bit of work done, and, you know, foundation. And look, most, you know, homeowners don't really want to buy a house that has a foundation issue and these things, so, you know, not really ready for the retail market through a realtor. So really, like, an investor is going to come and finish it. He's really the sort of buyer he needs. It is a little 2-bedroom. They're generally pretty decent rentals. So look, we're happy to come and buy it, and he doesn't need to clean it out, doesn't need to make those repairs. That's fine. We will do that work. That's what we do. We use our network, resources, time, money to fix these properties and get them ready for a homeowner or a tenant. So if you have a property looking to sell, look, just reach out to us. You can get us on homebuyerlouisiana.com. There's lots of information on the website. You can check it out, or just give us a call and we'll be happy to talk to you about your situation. Thanks, guys.